Is your iPhone lagging? Is the camera not working in WhatsApp or Viber? Does your iPhone feel buggy after updating iOS 26? Before you reset your iPhone or go to a repair shop, try this one simple fix. It solves most iPhone problems and almost nobody uses it correctly. Most people just restart their iPhone normally, and that's not enough. What you actually need is a force restart. A force restart completely refreshes iOS, clears temporary memory, and restarts system services without deleting anything. Here's how to do it correctly. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding, don't let go. When you see the Apple logo, release the button. Your iPhone will turn off and restart. That's normal. This simple trick can fix all of these issues. iPhone lag and slow performance, camera not working in WhatsApp, Viber, Instagram, black camera screen, apps crashing or freezing, touch screen delays, no sound or microphone issues, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or mobile data problems, overheating and battery drain, control center or keyboard bugs, all without deleting a single photo or app. Important notes here are: this does not erase data. Safe to do anytime, especially useful after iOS updates, can be done once every few weeks if needed. If your iPhone ever starts acting weird, force restart first. It should always be step number one. If this helped you, hit the like button so more iPhone users can see it. Subscribe for more hidden iOS tips and fixes because your iPhone can do more than you think.